You want to learn how to download an app for your phone? Great! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to search for, discover, and download an app from the App Store. Let's start with the basics. What is an app, and where do I find them on my phone? An app is short for application, and they are tools that let you use your phone in numerous different ways. For example, if you want to take a picture, there's a camera app. If you want to check your stocks, there's a stock app. If you want to play a game, there are thousands of apps that'll turn your phone into a mobile arcade. Apps are represented by icons on your phone, and you access them simply by selecting the icon. Now, let's talk about how to find and download a new application. To get a new application, you want to start with the App Store. It's the blue app on the second row, and when we open the app, you'll see the Featured section. This is a group of apps that Apple is currently promoting. In addition to this section feature, there are 5 buttons along the bottom of the screen. Featured, which we just talked about, Top Charts, which shows the most popular apps, Explore, which is used to browse apps by category, similar to different sections in a bookstore, and the last 2 sections are Search and Update. Search is used to if you know the name of the application or to find an app by a keyword. Finally, the Update section will show you if you have any apps that you currently have on your phone that have a new version. If there is a new version available, you'll see a red bubble over the Update button, as you see here represented by the 2 icon on Update. Now that I've covered the basics on the App Store, let's download an application. So let's say I'm interested in planning a vacation, and I want to find an app that can help me book a hotel room. There are a few ways that I can discover an app or two that'll help me with this. The first way is to look in the Explore tab. What I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down until I find the Travel section. And by selecting Travel, I can see the most popular apps up here at the top and scroll through and take a look. Or I can dive a little bit deeper by using the recommended categories below. Since I'm looking for hotels, I'm going to select Accommodations. And I'm going to take a look at the most popular apps here. And actually, Airbnb is one that I've heard before, so let's select that one. Now that I've brought up Airbnb, I can see some details about this application. I can see that 54 people have written reviews and given it a pretty good rating. I can see some screen share or grabs from the application that show me what the application will look like. I have description, what's new in the most recent version, and a lot of other information regarding this app. Now before I go and download this one, I want to show you another way to find these applications. We can also go into the search function. So if you know the name of the app or want to look it up by a keyword, you can use this. So I'm going to click on search and type in Airbnb. And sure enough, it comes right up. I'm going to select the first one, and here's the application. To get the application, I'm going to select the Get button that's in the upper right-hand corner. I tap it once and it prompts me and says, do you want to install this app? Yes, so I'm going to tap it again. As it loads, it's going to prompt me for either a password or my Touch ID. If you have a newer iPhone, you can use your Touch ID by simply pressing your thumb onto the Touch ID sensor and it'll approve the download. So now the Airbnb app is going to download to my phone. And I can select Open to access that application. If you like this video, give it the thumbs up below. If you want to follow more of my tutorials and tips, go ahead and press the subscribe button below, and you'll be notified whenever we have a new iPhone video available.